Before we put our pie filling into our pie crust, we're going to brush it with an egg white. So if you want to have one egg white and just beat it up a little bit. It's not like with an egg yolk, so you won't be able to see the yolk bursting to know when you've beaten it enough. You just want to make sure that it's not going to have any membranes or anything in it. And then we're going to brush the pie crust. Now it's a little difficult to see because it is a clear egg wash on a cream colored surface, but you can see a little bit where it's getting wet there. And you just want to brush down the entire pastry with the egg wash. And this is going to give a nice glossy sheen to the crust that is being shown. And it's also going to prevent the crust from getting soggy during the baking process. You just want to gently brush it all with it. You might not use the entire egg white, which is fine. Of course, I recommend tossing whatever you have left because it's going to be such a small amount, there's really not much you can use it for. So once you have everything all coated, then it is on to our next step.